हेलो एवरीवन। आज मेरे साथ नाइला है और नाइला इज़ फ्रॉम हैदराबाद, इंडिया। सो लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम हर कि like how she started this business and everything about her. So Naila, hi, how are you?
Hi Deepa, I'm good. How are you? Thank you for
मैं
calling me. Please.
थैंक यू सो मच नाइला फॉर कमिंग हियर। नाइला, वी रियली वांट टू नो अबाउट यू। आपके बारे में थोड़ा प्लीज बताओगे? आप कहाँ से हो? आपका एजुकेशन क्या है? आपको कितना टाइम हो गया है कनाडा में? आपने जॉब किया है यहाँ पे या क्या है स्ट्रगल्स आपके? प्लीज 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 शेयर कीजिए।
Yeah. So hi everyone. My name is Naila Khan और मैं originally हैदराबाद इंडिया से हूँ और अभी तो फिलहाल I'm from Canada, originally from like staying in Ontario, Canada for past 5 years. So yeah, I have two kids, one girl and boy, 7 and 4. So yeah, I started this business because like I'm a stay-at-home mom for past 5 years. I never did a job after I got married. Like 10 years of marriage I am, alhamdulillah. I married in 2014. Soon after I completed my MBA in operation management. I did my graduation in like BSc microbiology and I'm in MBA in operation management. Like I never got a chance to do a job. Soon then children's and all that just got busy with the home life, staying
Yes.
at home and doing all this one kid by other. So this like after my son got 4, I thought like let's do something. I was planning to do something. I was searching around. I never thought about doing a digital thing because to be frank, I'm very scared because there's so much things going around in this world. Like we don't know where is what is legitimate, what is good. But yeah, suddenly I was planning to have a teaching course. Like for 1 year, I'll give gap. I'll have teaching course. Then I got around with Farhana's ad on YouTube. It was like you think like this is the god's thing for me because I saw 3 times or 4 times ad on YouTube, but I just skipped that. I never thought of doing it. Like हम करते हैं ना कि हमेशा scroll करते हैं like
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
do it. Like so one day my husband he saw the ad. We were watching that. He's like, Ella, we'll do this thing. Just give him a call. So at 8 o'clock in the night, I messaged Farhana. She messaged me. So this started continuing. मेरे को थोड़ा सा interest आने लगा. Then I started doing it. So
ओके।
yeah, then I did everything like how it have we have to follow the things like paying and all that stuff. Then yeah, now I started this business like in February 2025. Like now I'm running it like 1.5 month, 2 months going to happen.
Naila,
Yeah.
but you're lucky, right? This is something new for me because mostly husbands are very skeptical.
Oh, my husband is like everywhere. He's supportive. He's like, "Now you
Very.
cannot do it. I'll make you." He works from home, but he
Okay.
sit downs with me and he explains me everything like one time, two time, three time. How many times I ask, he never gets it right. I know that is I am a lucky part in that. He helps me in everything, mashallah. Like everything with kids and everything. If I say this I cannot handle, like I don't know this, then he says, okay, I'm there for you. You say me what you want to do it. Like he helps me a lot for it, this thing. That I'm very lucky. That
That's nice,
that is
Naila.
very lucky. Yeah, he is the one who forced me to go into the business. He's like मेरे को था कि like school से आऊंगी, if I do this also like in पता नहीं like how would I concentrate on kids because I will also get tired after going out and all that. मैं पता नहीं बच्चों को कैसे देखूंगी. I don't want to miss out on their education part. Yeah, so that's why I thought कि कुछ ऐसा कर तो I discussed this with my husband. So he's like, this one is very good, Naila. You have to do it. He forced me. He's like, I said him मैं before start करने से ये सही है पता नहीं this is good or bad am I doing correct or no मैं बहुत spectacle थी. You know when I talked to Farhana on the coaching call I did not speak anything. It's my husband who spoke it.
Oh,
It's like
wow.
Naila तुम कुछ नहीं बात
That's
कर सकते.
nice.
Yeah, this happened.
That's
Yeah,
so
he
nice to
talked.
know.
Yeah, he is the one who talked everything, and then he explained me. ऐसा है. I asked him 100 time questions in that thing. He
Okay.
only the one who explained me everything. Then फिर
Uh,
उसके बाद like when I started training and all that, now I am like now I know what is there and what I have to do it. And now this is interesting me. Like बोलते ना थोड़ा interest आ रहा है करने का. Everything I'm doing
बहुत
nice.
कुछ सीखने भी मिलता है ना हमें क्योंकि
और
ट्रेनिंग्स हमेशा अपग्रेड होते रहते हैं। यू
हाँ
कैन लर्न अ लॉट।
we learn personally also. I got so amazing friends now because after my college I never had my and I never met my friends. I don't have friends right now in Canada. I'm here for 5 years. I don't have friends. I'm Best my husband, my family. This is only revolving in my life now. I can say proudly, like I also have friends around me
That's
who are
true.
there, like who whenever, like it's just not business. When you feel low, also when you feel like emotional support, you this community is like amazing. It's just not about the business. It's every overall growth. You say no. This is what we
Yes.
do here.
Right. That's true. That's true.
It's like it's very amazing to find like such a good minded people over here. Like never nobody, we call anybody anytime, never, but nobody says, oh we are busy, we can do it later. No, they're not there, they help me out. I say so many people in this field. Yeah,
And Naila, where are you living in Canada? Like which
I'm
part of
currently
Canada?
in Brampton, Ontario.
Brampton. Okay, I live in Mississauga. We are not very far.
Yeah, so much
So
near. Yeah, I
yeah.
go.
So are you coming this Saturday?
Yeah,
You're
inshallah.
coming? Oh, nice. So I will definitely meet you then
Yeah, I am
because I
going
am
to meet.
coming. Even Mimi is coming.
Yeah, there's so many people who are coming. Like Prana is not there, but then we are all joining together. Inshallah, we will meet.
Yes. And Naila, have you ever tried applying for any jobs here in Canada after coming?
No, क्योंकि मेरी बेटी ना 1.5 year की थी when I came to Canada.
अच्छा.
Never wanted him to go to daycare because पहले daycare का इतना ज़्यादा चीज़ें होती है, like we get scared beforehand ना, तो इसलिए और फिर जब हम shift होते हैं there are so many struggles going on
We right.
when we in the starting part ka na, so I never wanted him to, like after my daughter got in the school, my son was there, I got
Yeah.
pregnant, so son was there, so this was going on. So alhamdulillah now I am free, so I was finding jobs like before my husband, my son is going to school in September, तो उससे पहले मुझे कुछ करना था. I don't want to sit alone. I used to say my husband, what I'm going to do alone sitting and no, nothing to do now. बेटा जाने
Yeah.
के बाद क्या होता है, कुछ भी नहीं. He is day long with me only.
But
Never
after joining this business, अभी लग रहा होगा ना कि यार यार टाइम ही कम मिल रहा है.
yeah,
There are so
बहुत
many things to do. So
इतना
many
लिस्ट
things to
होती
do.
है. रात में इन द नाइट आई मेक द लिस्ट एंड उसमें से होते हैं चीजें,
See?
बट सो मेनी थिंग्स आर लेफ्ट. ओह टुडे आई डिड नॉट दिस, इज दैट, डू दिस
Yeah.
आल्सो. नहीं है. Like now I feel like I'm really utilizing my time.
Right,
Nicely
right.
utilizing time, because kids के time पे भी we utilize, but it's like only kids, never us. Now it's
Right,
us plus kids, so that's good in this.
right.
Alhamdulillah.
And how is so far? How is your business going and
Yeah, it's
work
good.
going?
Yeah, it's going great. I'm learning. Training is going on. So yeah, matlab like the like campaign and all, everything is going on. Everything is fine. Nice.
That's great to know. And Naila, thank you so much for coming to my page and talking about yourself.
You're welcome.
And it's really nice to have you here. And I hope to meet you soon on this Saturday. And
Yeah,
we'll make
and
some
I'm also looking forward to go
contents.
to the meetup. Yeah, I this is my first meetup, so I'm so much excited.
Right, right. Yeah, sure. For me, this one is second one.
Yeah, yeah. Nice.
Okay, then. Bye, Naila. Take care
Yeah,
and have a
you
great
too.
day.
Oh, you too have a great day. Okay, bye.